Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for Kids. Today we are going to do a nice fall picture. We've got a red marker, a green, a dark brown, an orange, and a lighter brown. So I'm not even going to go in with a pencil today. I'm going to go straight in with markers. We are going to start by making a silly red shape. That's a bit of a silly shape, isn't it? I'm going to color it in. So this is going to be a pile of nice fall trees. Doesn't look like it now, but when we're done, it's going to look nice. Color that in. And don't worry, your shapes don't have to look exactly like mine. Just have fun and make a silly shape. Okay, so next I'm going to use the green. Sure, why not? And I'm going to start kind of behind that red blob and make another silly shape. And color that one in too. So this is the time of year where we get trees that start changing colors of their leaves. We've got some stay green, some turn red, some turn brown, some turn yellow, some turn orange. And it just always looks so pretty. Okay, so after the green, let's have a orange. I'm gonna put that one right here. Color that one in. And you don't have to use the exact colors I'm using. Like maybe you want to make this tree here red. Maybe you want to make it green. It's up to you. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. And let's see, what color tree are we going to do next? I think maybe I'll put a brown, light brown right here. That's a really silly shape. These shapes kind of remind me of spots on a cow, but they're not black. And let's see, I'll put another orange one kind of behind the red and the brown. And you don't have to use markers. You can use crayons, you can use coloring pencils, you can use whatever you want. So after that orange, I think I'm going to do another green. Tuck that here. And I think I want to do one more red over here on the end. Okay. And that one looks pretty small because it's in behind the orange. You can just see it poking out a little bit. All right, so now I'm going to take the green again and I'm going to make some strokes here on the bottom of the page. This is going to be the grass. So your strokes can be big or tall or short. It's up to you. Maybe they're pointing to the right. Maybe they're pointing to the left. Grass can be all over the place. So there's no right or wrong way. Just cover the bottom here with lots of grass. And some is crossing over on top of some other pieces. There we go. And I'm going to take the dark brown marker and I'm going to start doing some tree trunks. So let's see. Go all the way up and back down. So we almost have kind of a nice big thin triangle. Now I'm going to take the tip part of my marker, the thinnest part of the marker, and do little branches. So it can go off in any which way. Okay. And now I'm going to keep doing the same thing with all the other trees. Color in that tree trunk. And give it some branches. And the orange. Red one poked in here in the middle. Oops, I said it's poked in the middle. It's not in the middle at all. I said poked in the middle, but I meant to say poked in behind. And now this orange one. Brown. We're almost on our tree trunks. And maybe your tree is going to have lots of branches. Maybe it's not going to have very many at all. It's up to you. Now, I'm going to go back in with my orange and start putting some little strokes here. Maybe some are going to be straight across like that, or some are going to be up. And these are going to be like little leaves that fell off these trees. Because of course in the fall, all the trees start to lose their leaves. So we're going to go in with our red. These are going to be like little red leaves. Put them all over. So just because I'm using the red marker doesn't mean I have to keep the red leaves by the red tree, because the wind can blow these leaves all over the place. Let's see. Brown. And there we go. We've got our nice fall trees. So I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope you will join me again tomorrow for our next daily doodle. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day and have fun drawing. Goodbye.